Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aziz Ulba, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss the second lecture of Computer 7, and our first topic is ABACUS. Here is a picture of ABACUS. Now we are going to discuss about the brief history of ABACUS. The abacus was invented in China over 3000 years ago. It was the very first device to count the things. It is a wooden frame with 12 or more rods and a crossbar which divides these rods into two parts. These are basically different types of abacus. After Chinese development of abacus, the Japanese introduced the new frame of abacus and Russia as well. There is a slightly difference between these three types of abacus. Parts of abacus, there are basically two parts: the rods above the crossbar and the rods below the crossbar. Interpretation of parts of abacus. Each rod in the upper parts has two rods and the lower parts has 5 beads in it. These upper and lower beads are moved along the rods in a particular order to solve the calculation problems. These are the names of different types and beads. Here are the beads of upper part and beam, the center divider, rods who support the beads and the frame. On the other hand, upper log and lower log of the abacus. Now we are moving now on the next topic is the Napier's bonds rod. In 1670s, John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, invented a manual calculation device called Napier's rods or Napier's bonds. Napier's rods were consisted of about 22 rods and each rod contains 9 digits from 1 to 9. This device was specially used for multiplication. Here is a picture of Napier's bonds manual mathematical calculation machine. And the top horizontal row 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and the horizontal, and now the second one is on the left side is a vertical bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 as well. John Napier Bonds invented this manual machine in 1617. I hope you understand this lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.